Hello, today's episode is Foam Latex Prosthetics application. I am going to make orc makeup on myself. I use the foam latex and gelatin ears and a ball cap. These are the prosthetics. And this is my makeup station. First, I am using Kiehl's to wipe off my extra oil. Then, using the barrier cream to protect my skin. And ball cap. I am using the Beta Bond. By the way, this ball cap is latex. I just wanted to cover the back side of the head. Even though the front side doesn't cover my hairline, I wasn't really worried because the orc face makeup is going to go over this edge. I just wanted to lock in the position. I put the powder and make sure the face piece goes over. Next, I am using the earpiece. Put it on both sides. Put the powder on. Before putting the glue on, I make sure the piece position. I'm using the Telesis 8 and thinner. I start gluing down from the upper lip. Then next one is a nose. It's always nice to start from the center of the face. That way there's no air pocket. Press it down. The reason why I'm not using Prosthetic today is because Prosthetic sticks to my skin too good. So I wanted to use something a little bit weaker. Telesis is not weak, but it's easy to remove. I did on the left side as well. Next one is Bondo. I just needed to put my glasses back on so I can see better. This one is covering my edge, taper it down. Then next one is cream Bondo. I used red stipple sponge to make texture. Even around the eyes. Then after it's dried, put the powder over. Then using the PAX. The reason why I ripped the sponges is I don't want a straight line when I paint. Under my chin, I didn't fix the edges because I'm going to put the hair over anyway. Then I'm using rubber mask grease paint around my eye. Then next one is dark green PAX. I'm using the water to thin it down. also on my neck. Next, I'm using the Bondo transfer. It's made out of Prosthetic. Put it in a silicone mold and let it dry. I use 99% alcohol to reactivate and just stick it in. It's a scar from the bottle. Then I'm using Nye Effects palette to paint over this, also around my eyes. I diluted the Nye palette with the alcohol and make it a little bit thinner. Next one is black alcohol base color, using the chip brush to put some splattering. Then put the denture and lower denture. I didn't make a denture, I made a teeth. Glue it on. Then put some tint over the teeth. Then going back to my eye, a little bit darker. I forgot to record the beginning of this facial hair application. My apologies. I use the spirit gum and put it on, make it sticky. Then use a comb to press it down. Also, to get rid of the shine, I use pantyhose. Also under the chin, stick it on. And back on my head. Put the hairpiece. Then got to be glue spray to make that rough shape. Then some details. The final one is the cedar blue marble. Then I just wanted to show this fan from Japan. Let it dry. Then put the powder on my hand to make it easier to put the gloves on. That's it for the orc makeup. I hope you like it. If you wanted to see the pre-paint of this prosthetic, please go back to another video and I show how to paint. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.